Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you at least 2 to 3 kinds of pin tuck design. I already made a complete video of making a pin tuck tunic top, so this is going to be the second version of that. So in this video I'll be covering 3 to 4 types of pin tuck design. So I'm going to show you the first design. So let's get started. Quickly check on the first picture what I'm going to show you right now. That's going to be the first pin tuck design. So now I'm going to show you the method of making that pin tuck which you saw on the green color dress. So for that, take a ruler and take a chalk. So it can be a water soluble or it can be a normal chalk. Make sure you just draw the line very thin. Lay the fabric flat, and first you have to design where you have to get that pin tuck. According to that green color dress, you have a neckline on the center, and for at least for 2 to 3 inches they have made a pin tuck. Same like that, I'm going to make a pin tuck, leaving a marginal amount for the neckline. So imagine if this is the center of the bodice, you can leave a 2.5 inches. Okay, so I'm going to draw the pin tuck over this point. So first I'm going to take 1 centimeter and I'm going to mark from the shoulder. So this is going to be the shoulder point. Just place a tape like this and you're going to mark 1 centimeter. It should be a very thin line so that once it's done, if you dab the chalk it should go away. Okay, so can you see I have marked a 1 centimeter line. So just take your ruler and I'm going to just draw a straight line. Today I'm using a pink color chalk so that you can see what I'm doing right here. So I'm just drawing a line. So if you want you can just stop the line half away. That is, if you want you can just stop the line over here, or this pin tuck if you want you can just go till your the full length of the kameez or kurta, whatever you make. So it's absolutely depends upon you. I show you both the method how it's going to look. So first you have to draw a line for the 1 centimeter. So if you're not making this 1 centimeter mark and if you're just taking the pin tuck as like that, for sure, believe me, it's not going to come well. And you're going to just draw like this. So I have made a pin tuck for 3.5 inches. So I'll show you how to just sew this together. So first make sure that the line is straight like this. So just place it like this and you're going to pin that in place. See, take the line firm like this and just use a pin like this. And now I'm going to sew at the margin, so it can be a 0.3 millimeter or 4 millimeter, that much small I'm going to sew. So let me show you. I'm going to use a white color thread. So now you can see I have sewn at the margin like this. So you're going to grab a hold of the next line like this. Just hold it firm like this and you're going to pin that again. Okay. If you are beginner, please do follow this step, that is pinning the line together and then sewing that like this. if you pin that lines together, the work would be really easy. So now I have made the second line, you can see. So the next thing is I'm going to sew without the pins. I show you how to do that. So grab a hold of the next line, make sure the line is at the top, and you're going to sew that. It's going to look like this once it's done. So when you press that in place, it just stays like this and it looks nice and neat. So this is going to be the first design. So please check out the next picture, that is a pink color tunic top. So I'm going to show you how to make that design. So in that pink color top, the stitch line is little bit big. That is there is an enough margin space in between each pin tuck. I show you how to do that now. This is the 1 centimeter line what we marked before. So take the 3 lines together and fold it like this. Okay, make sure this 1 centimeter line and the next 1 centimeter line match together. I'm not going to sew on exact this 1 centimeter line. Perhaps I'm going to sew little bit up than that. That is, I'm going to sew till this point. Okay, this is how it looks. So the next one is, so you're going to leave this 1 centimeter line and you're going to take these 3 lines, fold it again, and I'm going to sew it at the point about that 1 centimeter. So if you want to stop the pin tuck in halfway, first mark the line till where you want to stop. See, I'm going to stop the pin tuck over this point. So when you come to that end point, just give a 1 or 2 back stitch, and then so it's going to come like this and it's going to stop at this point.